Okay, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, Mr. Okay, please sit down. How many students absent? One. Only one student absent. Who's? Oh, where is he? Paris. Who's the overseas? Wow, expensive holiday, huh? Okay, students. In the previous meeting, we have learned about specific heat capacity and thermometer, right? Which one of you still remember what we have learned in the previous meeting about thermometer? Yeah, Bentley.
I think it's a thermometer from temperature.
Temperature. You measure the temperature using thermometer. Anyone still remember? Heat capacity and what is heat capacity? What do you think?
Heat capacity is how much energy is needed to change the temperature of an object by a mass.
Yeah, that's specific. Okay, let me revise. That is specific heat capacity. So you have to add specific heat capacity. Okay, let me connect my device. This is room CC301, right? Okay. So in the end of the lesson today, you will be able to understand the concept of specific heat capacity and how to calculate the heat using the formula Q mass times specific heat capacity times delta T. That's our objective today. In the previous meeting, we have learned about the thermometer and how we use the thermometer and convert the thermometer from Celsius to what unit? Kelvin. If you want to convert Celsius to Kelvin, how do we do? Plus 273, right? And then, anyone still remember how do we observe or measure the temperature using a thermometer? How do we position our eyes? We have to. Our eyes should be perpendicular to what? To the scales, to the numbers. Okay, let me show you. In the previous meeting, we have learned that we have to position our eyes perpendicular. Okay, if I open here, the eyes should be perpendicular to the scale we are reading. Correct, students? Okay, now before we start to play and study about specific heat capacity, previously we have learned theoretically about specific heat capacity, but it is still abstract in our mind, right? Since you have received information from these slides and also from our previous meetings, now I want to check your understanding about thermal transfer and specific heat capacity. Okay, now let's join Kahoot.it. Okay, let's join our Kahoot. Students, we have 5 groups, right? Because if we join all students together, it will be chaotic. Yeah. So you can make team of 2, right? Team of 2, except for Brandon and Samuel. Samuel will join. You can choose Samuel, your team. Brandon will go with James and Kyle. Okay, you make team of 2. Okay, join now. Pardon? Oh, Brandon and Samuel. Brandon and Samuel. Okay. No. There. Yeah. Oh. Hey, please use your Krista. Or Bell. Okay? Okay. Come on. 10 seconds. Yes. Enter the PMP. Kahoot.it. Students, join Kahoot.it, not .com.
Joshua and Kenneth.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna have 10 groups, right? We're gonna have 10 groups. You can choose your avatar. Every MLB use Einstein avatar.
We're all
Olivia and Valerie, Teletubbies son, right? Yeah.
Pingu.
Valerie, you were excellent.
I love physics. Love physics.
You're still choosing the avatar?
Yeah, I'm gonna become.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, already 9 groups. Mosquito spray. Everyone look at me. Okay? Okay, let's start. There are 5 questions to check and review what we have learned in the previous meeting. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. One, two, three. What is combustion?
You gotta go. You gotta go. Oh no, we're losing. You gotta go.
Conduction happens only in solid.
Can you increase the size of the screen, sir?
Huh?
Can you increase the size of the screen? Or the font?
No.
The font cannot.
Just make it bigger, sir. That's all.
Really? Like this?
Smaller.
This.
Smaller.
It's okay. Okay. Let's try game. Are you ready? Are you ready, students?
Yeah.
Oh, second question, sorry. Continue. What is specific capacity? Okay. Students, okay. Listen to me. What kind of energy in here, students? What kind of energy in here? What type of energy here? Heat or thermal energy. Right. Morgan and Bentley. Why does it take longer to boil a kettle full of water than one only half full? Why? Yeah. Who answered the green one? Who answered the green one? Okay. A student heats 1 kilogram of aluminium and copper to 50 degrees Celsius. What will store some energy? Yeah, the one with higher specific, right? Yeah, higher specific Okay. Next. Morgan and Wendy still leading. What is the equation used to determine the okay. Who is the triangle? There is no formula like that, right? Okay. Why do heating system use water to transfer the energy to the radiators around the house? Which one is the answer? Mosquito spray. Okay, become liquid. Okay, students. For the top three, I will let me screenshot. From the top three, I will grant 1% point. Okay. I will close the game, students. Open your notebook now. It's time to be serious. Okay, serious mode. Attention. Attention. Okay, students. Now open your Google Classroom. Open your Google Classroom and click the classwork. Click the classwork. Click the classwork, and once the classwork already open, click the classwork, and then once the classwork open, you click the classwork specific heat capacity. You click the classwork specific heat capacity. Are you there, students? And then click, and then you will find a file. Yeah, you will find a file that will lead you to a simulation. Now, click the simulation. Click the simulation. Okay? Click the simulation right now. Now, I'm giving you the time to explore. I'm giving you time to explore in 1 minute. In 1 minute, I'm giving you time to explore. What should you do with the simulation? Yeah, to operate the simulator, students. Hello, sir, pay attention. To operate this simulator, please click on the run here, and then you do the observation. What happened to the metal A? What happened to the metal B? Okay, let's see the guide, students. Let's see the guide, specific capacity. Click, and then you will work this individually. So this worksheet is submitted individually in the Google Classroom, right? The score will be individual score. You will see two materials here. Okay, we have the materials, one material on the left and on the right, on the left and on the right, and then start the simulation and with the same amount of heat, and then give the same amount of heat, right? When you start the simulation, you start to give the same amount of heat, right? Because they are using the same Bunsen burner. Correct, students. They are using the same Bunsen burner. And then you observe what happens, and then use the timer, split screen, and use the timer in your iPad. Split screen and use the timer in your iPad. Okay? If you have the smartwatch, you can use your own smartwatch. Right? Okay? But if you don't have, you can do the split screen and use the timer. And then in 2 minutes, observe the raise of the temperature. Wait, reset first. The initial temperature, how much, students? What is the initial temperature? 20 degrees Celsius, right? And after 2 minutes, yeah, you read material 1, how many degrees Celsius? And then material 2, how many degrees Celsius? And then write on the report, okay? And then answer this question below, okay? You can open my Canva presentation as the reference to answer your question here, okay? Anyone confused with the instruction? Okay, this worksheet is designed to do in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes of works, and then I will spare time 5 minutes to submit in Google Classroom. Okay, let's start. Go. Okay, I will set the timer. 15 minutes. Wait. If you have questions, directly raise your hand or go to me directly. Okay. Oh,
If you help,
what is the other? Okay, guys, we change the times. Students, we change the time not 2 minutes. We change in 30 seconds. Right. We change in 30 seconds.
Sir, I would have 1 minute 10 seconds, sir.
Huh?
I would have 1 minute.
Huh? Because already maximum in 1 minute, right? And then maybe we change in 30 seconds only. Guys, change the variable of the time, students. I think they update because in my previous trial, we can increase the time of the reset. We can use the time until what is that? Until 2 minutes. But this is free lab, virtual lab. Maybe they do the updates, right? So the time we use 30 seconds. Okay. The time we use 30 seconds. Okay, start. The time is 30 seconds, and then directly answer the worksheet.
60.33.
Directly answer the worksheet. Huh? Yes. Okay. Stop after 30 minutes. After 30 seconds. Stop the timer and then observe. Okay. Yes. Okay, now start to work and answer the worksheet. Pardon? Yeah, material 1. Students, you can say for the left 1, material 1, for the right 1, material 2. Okay, this is how you refer on your report. Okay. Okay, 10 more minutes. Yeah. Yeah, left 1, material 1, right 1, material 2. Okay. 30 seconds, which is 30 seconds.
59.6 and 59.8.
So, I forget.
The milliseconds.
Good. No, and guys, no, don't explain about molecule. Yeah, we focus our discussion in the specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. Okay. It's indeed, yeah, that the object with a large specific heat, students, the object with the large specific heat is denser. Correct, students?
Yes.
Yeah, so it requires more heat, right? It requires more heat to increase the temperature, right? That's correct. But in here, I want you to emphasize on the specific heat based on what you observe in the simulation. Okay? The good news is the practical will be on the next week, Thursday. Okay? Yeah. And bring, I already ordered the lab. Don't worry, guys. No cancellation anymore. Yeah. Bring your lab code next week. Okay? We always love our lab time. Seven minutes. Yes, yeah. Real life application you can use at home, right? So the heater, what else? Huh? Kettle, yeah. Okay, what else? Number? Number F40. Absorb the energy slowly. Yeah, okay. Yeah, submit, click, and hand into the Google Classroom. Do you know how to submit? Add words, okay. Upload, and then your work, open. Already. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to click hand in, okay? Otherwise, I cannot mark you in Google Classroom. Okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes, students.
Like you really need the timing capacity because it's like good insulated.
So like the handle also.
Handle yes.
The handle of the frying pan should have large or small specific heat. Should have large specific heat. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, submit.
Where? Like the Google Classroom.
In the Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay, sorry,
Finish? Can you finish?
Yes, sir.
Already, let me check.
Because it has lower capacity. Like the
Electric stove, aluminium should have, we should choose the metal with low specific heat as the frying pan. Just the application. Yeah, you can write it. Then choose a kettle. Use a kettle because kettle has low specific heat capacity. Right? Oh, high. Oh, guys, the question is high. High specific heat use. For example, we use the concrete. Yeah, we use the concrete to insulate the heat. Yeah, clear? We use the concrete to insulate the heat, so no heat enter our house. Okay. 2 minutes. Raise your hand, students, if you have finished. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, less than 50%. Come on. To prevent our hands from forward. Yeah. Okay. I want Kenneth to share screen. What he have discovered in the simulation. Okay, please share screen, Kenneth. Okay, question number 1. The one with the which method heats up faster? The one with the small heat capacity. Approve?
Yes.
Correct? Okay. For the data, each students will be different. It depends on how you start. Yeah, how start the timer. Because the accuracy of a device is different. Correct, students? No worries about the data. Share screen here. So students, here contains more molecules than this, right? So when we heat this part on the material one, yeah, there are not many particles needed to be heated. But here we have a lot of particles, so it is denser, so more difficult to be heated. Yeah, denser particle, more difficult to be heated. Correct, students? Yeah, because more particles, guys. More particles, more jobs to do. Right? Okay. Next, I want to check. Madeline, can you share screen?
Me.
So it's harder to perception.
Yes. Each documentary have the same amount of energy, but the temperature increase differently. Yeah, they have different specific capacities. You answer like this already correct. What real-life application can you think of where using materials with a high specific heat useful? We use concrete to insulate the heat and prevent the heat to enter the house. Right? Insulation. Right? Clear, students? Okay, now it's time for you to submit. Which one of you have submitted? Raise your hand. Raise your hand already. Which one haven't submitted? Okay, make sure that you have clicked hand in. Okay, have you clicked hand in?
Yes.
Yeah, because if you haven't clicked hand in, I cannot mark your work. Okay, students? Any questions? Any questions, students? Okay. Next, we are going to practice the exam style. Exam style, what is that? Exam style question. In the previous meetings, we have learned the formula of heat, right? We have learned the formula of heat. The formula of heat, anyone still remember? Heat equals to mass times specific heat capacity times the change of temperature. Anyone still remember the unit of mass? Kilograms. And the specific heat capacity? Joule per kilogram degree Celsius. In here, we use degree Celsius. If the specific heat capacity is Kelvin, so the change of temperature we use Kelvin, right? Okay. Let me draw. Okay. I already shared in Google Classroom. Please open your Google Classroom. This is the question. Wait, guys. C equal 1. Okay. Okay. I give you 3 minutes to try first, yeah, to solve the question number 1. Okay, try. Yeah, Q is heat, right? Q is heat. So we have to analyze. Oh, my pen is off. We have to analyze what is this, right? And then what is this? And then what is this? Okay? Clear? My battery is off here. Okay, guys, state the formula because this is typical of exam question. Usually this type of question is 2 marks, right? State the formula, process, and the final answer. Okay. Be ready. I will choose one student to share screen. While you are, yeah, first question. I want Olivia to share screen. Please share screen, Olivia. Okay, Olivia. Okay, so 4,200 is the Q. Yeah, a metal block absorbs the heat. 4,200 is the heat, right? And then the temperature raised from 10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So it is 60 final temperature minus initial temperature. So the change of temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Correct, students? And then the specific heat capacity is 420 joules per kilogram degree Celsius. And then how to find the mass, right? So you multiply, and then this is multiplication, and then move there, become division. 4,200 joules divided by 21,000. So the answer is 0.2 kilogram. right? In gram, how much? 200 grams. Yeah, we should practice how to convert the unit. Thank you, Olivia. Please give applause. Okay. Great. Okay. For the next students, listen. Okay. I think the time is not enough to discuss number 2 and number 3. Okay, students. I want to recap what we have learned today. I want to choose, okay, after girl, now boys. Oh yeah, Joshua. Yeah, Joshua, please recap what we have learned today. Huh? Specific heat capacity, and then?
It's in relation to changing temperature.
Okay, let's give applause. Okay. As an honor, because Joshua is really attentive, we want to try in the real situation world. I have the, what is that? Oh, can you please thank you. Okay. I have the glass made of plastic, and then I have a mug, and I have warm water. Please drink it. No, don't. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you handle. Yeah, you grab the cup together, and I will fill them. I will fill them with this warm water. Which one do you think? No. You handle like this. Okay. And you will feel the difference of the temperature. Which one gets hot faster? Yeah, the plastic one or the what is that? The mug one. Okay. Okay, let's time it for 1 minute. Okay, and then feel the change. Which one do you think? Yeah, qualitatively, which one is faster? The left one or the right one?
I think the left one.
The left one, the plastic. So, what is the conclusion? The plastic has lower heat capacity, lower specific heat capacity. Don't say heat capacity. You have to say specific heat capacity. Okay, please give applause for Joshua. Yeah, this simple experiment, right? This simple experiment will make our abstract understanding about physics, and will be easier for us if we visualize it. Okay? Our agenda in the next meeting, Monday, students, Monday we will have a quiz, short quiz, right? Only few questions related to the specific capacity and the heat, and we will practice exam paper style. And then on Thursday we will have experiment in lab. Guys, do not come late because we have 2 activities in the laboratory. Okay? Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, I have to dismiss the class. Thank you for this meeting.